Hello everyone, my name is Quantal, or I says Open Sesame, depending on whether I'm on my alt account or my main survival account. I am here to show you the plugins that we have today as well as how to sign in to the server. So I imagine for most of you, you won't need much. It will be in the announcements on our Discord, but you will copy this server address and put it into one of your ad servers. So once you join, I've set up so that the first time you join will be here. This is a separate dimension separated from our survival world. And you are allowed to have creative in it. Now, the way that this works is that while you can do just about anything, my inventory is quite a mess right now. Ooh, that's fun. You can grab anything you want. So if I wanted to grab a spruce door and I just wanted to go into the survival world with my spruce door, well, I can't. Your inventory will change depending on that. Oh, hey, look, another fun potion. And you will be put into survival. So for me, even though that I'm normally in creative, I'd actually have to go back into creative each time I did this, because the normal one will just set me to whatever. Now, this is our pretty basic spawn. Typically, you would come from that spawn area, come here, and use RTP to find a random location. So like I'm doing now, /RTP, and they'll get you a random location, hopefully just in the middle of nowhere. But for me, I'm just going to do MVTP world, which will bring me to the spawn of this world, which is right here, of course. Going back through here, I know it looks like there's nothing, but it will teleport you back here. And see, I still have my spruce door. Going back, we also have the trading central. This is a bit different than over there. When you walk in, you will retain your items. There's no shops here yet, or currency really, but you will be in survival. So I plan to set it up to where no one really needs to be able to leave. It's also peaceful, so there isn't much that you'll be able to do. But just hopping back through here allows you to go back over here. So, moving on to our plugins. If I just type in /plugins, you will see normal people are not allowed to type in this command. I've used luck perms to disable that. But we have a lot of plugins now compared to before. So, better RTP, as you saw, the way that affects you is that you can teleport to a random location. Chest shop. It's what we will be using for our trading central. I'm still working on it because I don't know everything about it, but I will make an updated section for it when I have more information. Decent holograms is what you see here. These text boxes, I didn't set up too well. It's very difficult to see, but they are actually not level because I messed up when I was making it. So yeah, they're not. It's great. It sucks. It's so easy to notice when you know what you're looking for. Essentials chat and essentials spawn is what allows the owner, me, to be able to edit whatever I need to edit for where you're going to spawn, some permissions that you have, and also your custom ranks in chat. We have one of our loners there. He hasn't joined a team. What a shame. Isn't part of the Sinister Syndicate, Creeper Slayers, or the best of the best. Villager Noise, of course. That's my team. But yeah, we have our permissions up there. Not permissions, sorry. Our ranks up there. Moving on, we have grief protection. This is going to be our claim plugin. So if I go and I grab a golden shovel, I'm not going to do it here, but you can make claims. So it'll show me that I have 483 more blocks to claim. I think I've already claimed a little bit, and you'll get 200 each hour that you are online. I think that you should be able to delete all claims. There's a couple commands that you should be able to do. I still might have to edit some permissions on those, so you might not be able to use them. Hopefully you should be able to. And then gsit is, I guess, just for being fun. So you can do like spin. So it looks very weird, but if I do this, so yeah, now I'm spinning. Kind of fun. You can do other things. It's not just this pointless. You can sit down. It's good for like role playing if you want to do that. And yes, I am Steve. And no, I do not have Optifine. So give me 1 second. I am Steve. I don't have a skin yet for my admin account. Cause yeah, I just don't. So give me a sec. Here we go. Back to normal. Moving on, we have instant restock. So this is a villager plugin, and compared to what a lot of people think it does, which is allow villagers to refresh their trade instantly an infinite number of times, it can do this, but it doesn't have to. Right now it's set to, I believe, either 3 or 5 resets, and it's just to increase the experience, quality of life, all that. Luck perms. So this is what allows me to have the whole owner, loner, villager noise rank, sinister syndicate rank, things like that. And I'm constantly editing it because there's permissions that people on my server need to have that I have to go in and add manually every single time. It's kind of a pain at this point. But, I mean, I guess it's not the worst. It kind of is. But, like, I've only spent, like, I don't know, 5 hours editing some of the permissions. Moving on, we have Multiverse Core, Multiverse Inventories, and Multiverse Portals. So the Multiverse Core is these different dimensions. That's the whole point of it, is having these different dimensions. Multiverse Inventories makes sense. You can't have this stuff when you walk over here. But you can with this. That's due to Multiverse Inventories and how I've set it up. Multiverse Portals is obviously this. It allows me to make portals with that can just teleport you to these dimensions. Tab is what we use for up here. I still have to customize it because it's kind of blank right now. So it needs a decent amount of customization, but I just haven't poured enough time into that yet. Then we have Ultra Set Home. How this will work for you is that you can do /set home, whatever you want the name to be. And then there is remove home, all that, and home. I think you can also like update them. I think that might be update home. But I have 2. The normal spawn that we used to have and the villager noise base. My normal account has a lot more. And you can have up to 54 current homes right now, if you would like. So moving on would be Vault. Vault isn't the most important for players, but what it does is it ties luck perms and tab and essentials chat together so that when I have the luck perm rank owner, it'll show up in chat, it'll show up when I say hello and all that, and it'll show up for other people as well. Vein Miner, pretty self-explanatory, I feel like. You have a shovel, an axe or a pickaxe. You shift and you break an ore or a tree, and you get that. Or a tree just in its entirety. And then finally, World Edit. We didn't really need this one for a long time, but I found out the reason I needed it is because to make these portals, you need World Edit. And it didn't tell me that until I went to make the portals. So I had to go and add World Edit, and I'm still trying to figure out how it works. But with that, I think that's everything. Thank you for watching this instructional video. I know it's not the best. I'm not good at recording, and this is why my YouTube channel only has like 5 subscribers. But you know, the YouTube channel's name is like Quantal. Just put in like @Quantal and you'll see it. Please subscribe. I need to feed my family. Please. Like I desperate, like we're eating Velveeta shells and cheese for like every single dinner. Please. Let me feed my family. Please subscribe. Alright, thank you. Have a good day.